Hey, what is up? And welcome back to another episode of It's Elementary, where we take elementary school lessons and subjects like this, that, these, them, they, We take elementary school lessons like this and we break them down. We break them down in a way in which everybody can understand, whether you are 7 years old or you are 70 years old.
We're sure you'll be able to understand, or at the very least, we'll make you smile, we'll make you laugh.
So recently I was online and I was playing my Xbox and I was playing probably my favorite game right now, and that's Apex Legends. And I heard my teammate say,
"Dude, you and I are so bad."
And I was like, what? I thought about that sentence that he said. He said, "You and I are so bad." But you know what he should have said? He should have said, "You and me are so bad." But why should he use me and not I in that sentence? Well, let's talk about it on today. Today we're going to talk about me, myself, and I. Okay, so today we're going to talk about me, myself, and I. Now, these are all pronouns. If you want to know what a pronoun, just check our recent video on pronouns. Pronouns are basically those words that take the place of a noun, of a person, like pronouns like he or me or she or I or them or they or even it. These are all pronouns. But today we're really talking about I and me. When should we be using them? You see, the word I is something we call a subject pronoun. Subject pronoun just means it is the subject, it is the main character, it is doing something. So you use I when you're talking about something that you did or you are doing or something that is happening, something that you can do. Like, for example, in the sentence, I use auto-tune to sing. Now, I use I because I is a subject pronoun and I am doing something. I am using auto-tune to sing. You always use subject pronouns. You always use I when you're talking about something that's being done or did. I use auto-tune to sing.
I'm singing in my auto-tune. I'm an amazing singer. Oh, oh, oh. I can sing.
Too much. Oh, okay. Frankie and I played basketball. I didn't say Frankie and me because me is not a subject pronoun. I is the subject pronoun. Me is actually something else that we're explaining in just a minute. But Frankie and I played basketball. What did I do? I'm playing basketball. So I'm using I correctly. I am doing something. Subject pronoun. That's what subject pronouns are.
You ready, Frankie? You ready for this? Don't run! Yeah! What? Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, Frankie and I play basketball. Now let's talk about when you use me, because me is not a subject pronoun, it is a object pronoun. Object, like an object, just plain old object. You use me when you're not talking about something that's being done or did, or you're doing something. You use me when something is being done to you. It started raining on me. I didn't use it started raining on I because I is a subject and I is not the main character. I ain't doing anything, but I use me because it's an object. Something is being done to me. It's raining on me. It's raining on me. Come on, guys, you're supposed to make the rain. What is this? This is some fake rain. What the kiwi? Some fake saying. Hey guys. So, yeah, I am wet because it was raining on me. Yeah, it was raining on me. That's why I'm wet. Okay there guys, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned just what subject pronouns are and object pronouns are and how to use those words me and I and how to tell the difference. I hope you learned something. I hope you got it, yo.
Hey, yo, Ma, I just said, I hope you got it, yo. Yeah. Ma, I sound super cool. I'm part of the cool crew now, Ma. I made it, Ma. I made it.
Guys, if you want to see more educational videos just like this, be sure to subscribe to our elementary channel. It's Elementary here on YouTube, and I'm sure you'll learn something, or at the very least, will make you smile, will make you laugh. As always there guys, keep it positive, and subject and object pronouns, it's elementary.